DTS Software. We are the original storage management experts. You hear so much about automation these days, but did you know that DTS has been automating ZOS storage since way before automation was a buzzword? When you partner with DTS, you partner with more than 30 years of storage management expertise. Why DTS? Here are 4 great reasons. First, unlike our competitors, we didn't acquire the technology in a competitor buyout. We built it from the ground up. Many of the original developers of our software are still part of our company, and we put this staff's know-how up against anyone's. Second, with solutions developed from customer insights, our product line across the board is quick to deploy, easy to use, and exceptionally functional. Third, leveraging automation for storage management opens up more time for DBAs and users alike to spend valuable time on more strategic initiatives in your data center. Fourth, and most importantly, when you need support, just call us. When you do, you'll get an experienced team member on the phone, an actual human to help you on your first call. At DTS Software, you're not just a number to us, you're a valued partner. Our goal has never been to be the biggest software vendor, just to be the best. Our vision has always been to create storage management products that easily scale to customer needs. We're so confident in our solutions that we offer fully functional trials of any of our companion products free for a year. What started in 1991 continues to grow today. DTS Software, the original storage management experts.